Wow, I just love how my hair came out with this aloe vera oil, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell. Welcome back to my channel. I have a fresh aloe vera plant right here. I'm just taking the label off. I'm gonna cut it in one section and get rid of the tip. And in this video, we're gonna make fresh aloe vera oil for hair growth and to make your hair nice and thick and shiny. Make sure you cut those edges off. Be careful because they're spikes. So I'm speeding up the video a little bit so you guys don't have to watch a long video. Aloe vera is so healthy for your hair. Now I'm slicing it right in the middle because we're going to put this in a frying pan. Make sure the slice is as thin as possible. Be careful with the knife and get all that good aloe vera gel. It's going to improve our hair. So perfect. I'm all done cutting it up in small pieces. That's the flame that I'm using. So it's a low to medium flame, you guys. You don't want it too hot. You're just going to place it right there in the pot. And I'm going to add this castor oil. Going to use olive oil. And use the amount that you think you need. And after this olive oil, I'm going to use, you guys don't have to use this, but it's African shave butter. It's 100%. I just like to use it for the thickness because I like my oils to be a little bit thick instead of runny. So let that cook for at least 10 to 15 minutes. So once it seems like it's ready, let it cool off, and then you're going to drain it. And this is going to get rid of all the big chunks of the aloe vera, and you're going to get just strictly the aloe vera oil. So after you drain it, you have a very nice consistency. You can use it for your skin and your hair. Now I'm ready to pour it into this tube, or how I'm going to apply it in my hair. And I made just enough to fill it all the way up to the top. So the little black crushed pieces that are coming out is crushed pepper. You can use seasonal pepper. This is the finished product. It looks great. Now I applied it in my hair and I'm rinsing it out, and I'm going to reapply it in my hair and show you guys how it looks like with day 2 dry hair. Aloe vera oil, shoot, this really defined my curls, made my hair so much shinier, easier to manage, and I'm seeing more fullness, more thickness in my hair. And this is day 2 hair, and it's not even getting tangled and looking all dry and crazy. Man, I'm definitely gonna use this. I'm gonna apply this in my hair every night, drips, and just massage it thoroughly. Hopefully it won't mess up my silk pillowcase, but that's what I'm gonna continue doing. I give this a go. This was great. You guys should definitely make it. You can always change the oils around if you don't want to use castor oil because it's very thin. I made it with a little bit of olive oil too, and shaving butter. If those are just too much for you, you could always narrow it down to less. But this is the business. Look at that. It's so much better. So much better. Look at that. This is dry hair. Even though it looks so shiny and wet, but it's just crazy how it just made my hair so much shinier, and the curls are so more defined.
This oil is the business.
Thanks for watching my channel, you guys, and stay tuned for more videos of me talking about my hair or my pregnancy stuff. I appreciate the subscribing to my channel too on top of that, and I'll be doing a giveaway really shortly, so holla at your girl. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and check out my other videos, you guys.